How to fix Windows 10 startup problems. Hello Windows users, experiencing issues with your computer not booting up properly? Don't panic. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through some troubleshooting steps to fix common startup problems in Windows 10. Let's get started. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve startup issues. Press the restart button on your computer or use the power button to shut down and then turn it back on. Ensure that all cables, including power cables and peripherals, are securely connected to your computer. Sometimes loose connections can cause startup problems. Restart your computer and continuously press the F8 key or Shift key to access the Advanced Boot Options menu. Choose Safe Mode to boot into Windows with minimal drivers and startup programs. If Windows fails to start properly, you can use the Startup Repair tool, boot from your Windows installation media. Select Repair your computer and choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then Startup Repair. If you recently installed software or drivers that caused the startup issue, you can use System Restore to revert your system to a previous stable state. Boot into the Advanced Boot Options menu and select System Restore. Boot for your Windows installation media. Then select Repair your computer and choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Command Prompt, type chkdsk/f/r and press Enter to check and repair disk errors. Then you can reinstall Windows as a last result. There you have it. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can resolve common startup problems in Windows 10 and get your computer back up and running smoothly. Remember to always back up your important files before performing any major troubleshooting steps. See you in the next one.